hollering at me now. Still got you in there.
Yeah, 537 Montana. Yeah, you got Joe here on the Southern Gulf Islands and Steve over there on Vancouver Island, right beside me.
Which island?
I'm out here in the Southern Gulf Islands. I'm on Salt Spring Island, so if you know where Washington State San Juan Islands are, we're in the same archipelago. We're in the Southern Gulf Islands, off the extreme southwest coast of British Columbia.
Oh, okay. Yeah, no, my sister's friend that I sent lived up there. She was in Victoria, where she was out of. But yeah, you're down below that, I believe, correct?
Well, actually, our islands are tucked up right against southern Vancouver Island. So Victoria is on the southern point of Vancouver Island, and that's actually the capital of our province. So yeah, we're not that far from Victoria.
Okay, yeah, just right about I'm looking at it now.
Yeah, we're on Salt Spring Island, okay? So like salt, table salt, then spring, then island. So there's a bunch of islands around us.
Man, what a beautiful place to live.
Yeah, it's nice, just like Montana. Beauty, too. Big sky country. So we're located right on the very northern point of Salt Spring. And Steve, my neighbor here, he's right on Vancouver Island in a town called Crofton, right across from me.
Oh, okay. Yep, I see that, too. Very good. Very good. You got to take a boat along, though.
Yeah, the only way off of this island is by boat. We're going to go over to Vancouver Island tomorrow, the big island. We have to take a ferry boat.
This summer's going to be real good. I've been on many ferry boats over the years, driving truck. But on the east coast of the U.S. here, not up this way.
Oh, right on. Yeah, they got ferries over there. Well, you know, it's a story of our life. If we want to go anywhere to any big stores or anything, we gotta take a ferry. And it's even a lot farther to go to the mainland. Vancouver's a long way away.
I bet when you go, you stock up pretty good, right?
Oh, yeah, we go to Costco.
Roger on the Costco.
Gotta love Costco, man. So, yeah, when we go over to the big island, usually go to Victoria, stock up and get like a month worth of groceries at Costco. We do have grocery stores here, but prices are expensive.
Oh, yeah, you don't have the big outlets, so it makes sense to all the main stuff in the big shop, and then you really need it, locally.
Yeah, exactly. And gas is a real rip-off here, too. It's about, I guess it's around $6.50 a gallon for the cheap stuff. I think we need to move to Montana.
It's expensive everywhere, but I know up there, I believe it's a little bit more expensive.
Oh, yeah. No, I bet you it's a lot cheaper in Montana. How's the weather out there? Hey, Montana, how's your weather tonight? I think I might have faded out. Yeah, I haven't talked to Montana for a long time, so it's really good to make contact with you there. Hey, before you go, what is the weather like there? Are you having snow on the ground?
Yeah, we've been below zero for the longest time, and now we're warmed up. We got a little heat wave going. Right now it's just under 34 degrees, and it's been 40s, and I think maybe this week, next day it's going to be up close to 50. Real good. Yeah, it's been cold.
Yeah, we had a bit of a cold snap there a week or so ago, but right now, yeah, we're sitting at around 50, just around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 50, and rain out here, so, typical wet coast weather.
Copy. Yeah, it was brutal here for a while. We were having 20, well, depending on where you were, 20 to 40 wind chills for a good couple weeks. It kind of sucked.
Yeah, the wind would be brutal, wouldn't it? Yeah, that definitely makes it feel a lot colder than what it is. So, Anyway, hey, I better let you go. I don't want to tie it up too much longer. And anyway, been a pleasure. You got a really nice sounding station there, 537. I sure hope to talk to you again.
I look forward to it, definitely. All right, well, thank you again. Have a great evening, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, 537. You got 791 here, out here on Salt Spring Island, Southern Gulf Island. So all the best to you in 2022, and we will listen for you for sure. This will be QSX.